Hello friends and welcome to my channel Codecraft Shop. My name is Sailesh Kushwaha and in this tutorial we will learn introduction to OpenShift, why we should use OpenShift and what are the features that OpenShift provides. So let us begin the introduction. So we know that today if we wanted to catch our customers or retain our customers, then we need to reach out to market in a effective way. Means if I am launching an application and my customers are using it, and if they wanted any additional feature, so I need to deliver that feature in time so that I can be ahead of my competitors. So in order to deliver such functionalities at a rapid rate, I need something which can perform the tasks and even maintain the security and deliver the things on time. So containers and Kubernetes and cloud environments play an important role in this kind of architecture. OpenShift is a cloud-based development platform which is used to create, test, and run our applications and finally deploy them on the cloud. It is built mainly on the top of Kubernetes and Docker so that we can use the container images at the root level. Since it is built on the top of Docker, so it uses the lightweight containers and the container images, and Kubernetes help us to orchestrate these containers. So we can say that OpenShift is built using these two major technologies. One is Docker and the another is Kubernetes. This product belongs to Red Hat, and Red Hat provides a variety of OpenShift related containers. So the question is why we should use OpenShift. So OpenShift is a trusted enterprise Kubernetes, which means that OpenShift internally uses the enterprise level or the enterprise edition of Kubernetes, which provides security to the containers. OpenShift has registered itself with 200 trusted certified images with other ecosystems so that we can use those libraries in our project and can quickly deploy our applications, build our applications and deploy it on to the cloud. So the another key point is OpenShift provides a common platform for enterprise units to host their applications on the cloud without worrying about the underlying operating system. This makes it easy to use, develop, and deploy applications on the cloud. What it means is like, since we have in the market, there are a lot of companies over there, and every company has its own requirements. So, in order to meet those requirements, they they can their application can be on different platforms. So, OpenShift provides all those platforms within itself. What it means like, it provides a common platform through which different companies can host their applications on the cloud in the same manner. And the another point is like, it provides choice of infrastructure design. Means OpenShift has a variety of products which can be installed on your laptop, can be installed on your cloud, can be installed on your public network, can be installed in a dedicated physical machine. So these all are the different products available in OpenShift. These are the main features which OpenShift provides, and these features make OpenShift a rich platform. The first feature is multi-language support. It supports all the latest languages that we have in the market like Java, Node, React, JS, Perl, Ruby, Python. So it has multi-language support. It Beside this, it also has the capability to support a lot of databases on the cloud. It also manages the source code management system. So let us take an example. If I have different versions of, I'm making changes in my code, so it versions those, changes, and then create my applications of different versions. One click deployment is one of the another feature, means we need not to worry about the deployment steps, deployment configurations. It just provides simple ways, like we can deploy our application onto the cloud with just one click. Multi-environment support, since I already have told you, like it has variety of products which can be, installed on different environments, so it provides multi-environment support as well. And we can also think of it in a way that if I'm working on a dev environment and then my changes need to be moved to the, you know QA environment or QC environment, so we can deploy our changes at one, we can build our app changes at the dev environment, and we can push the applications to the QA or QC environment in a single click or with an automated process. It has standard developers workflow, means it provides the capability to build our application, deploy our applications, and then move our release our applications to the another environment. So it has a standard steps which a developer has to perform. At every step we can monitor our applications. Dependency and build management, so it has integration with all the libraries, all the images, so it can easily pull the required libraries which are, needed in your in building your project onto the cloud. Automated application scaling, it means that we can scale our applications depending upon the load, or we can scale our applications whenever we require. And it has the self-healing capabilities. Suppose if one of my container goes down or one of my applications goes down, so it has a capability to, scale the environment again, so that it does not impact our end clients. It it also provides a responsive web console, which I will show you in the later videos. All the functionalities can be achieved using the command line tool, so it has a rich variety of command line tools. We can log into our application using the remote SSH login. It also provides REST API support, self-service on demand application stack. It means that we can, modify our applications as per our need. Built-in database services, means we can have different kind of services, like if I wanted to, port forward my database instance to my local, I can do it using, you know built-in services. CI/CD plays an important role in automation, or in maintaining the life cycle of an application development. So it provides a better CI/CD pipeline feature. So I can also integrate ID with OpenShift, means the scenario is that if I have to, make some hot fixes or quick changes onto the cloud or configuration changes, so there is no need to go by, our traditional approach that we need to build the changes on local, then move it to QA and then another environment. What we can do is, like, we can have a IDE on the cloud itself, through which we can, change quickly at the application itself. And it also provides remote debugging of applications. So these all are the features which make OpenShift a rich platform to build our applications. And it provides a better security, because Red Hat, it is a since it is a product of Red Hat, so Red Hat provides a better security in the world. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like the video, please do subscribe my channel if you haven't, And you can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at the handle Codecraft Shop. Thank you.